Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove apps and silence notifications, leave focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Sleep. And in the Sleep Focus, click Apps under the Silence Notifications. Then in the Notifications, under the Silence Notifications from, you will see the list of applications that you added.
And all you have to do is just click the negative sign to remove the application that you want.
And it's now removed. And that's it. We have successfully removed apps and silence notifications, leave focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!